Discover the next level of industrial performance with this high-quality portable handheld laser welding machine, delivering an impressive power range up to 6000 W. Designed for professionals, this 4-in-1 system combines welding, cutting, cleaning, and seam finishing into one compact and highly efficient machine. With its continuous laser output and high power options from 3000 W to 6000 W, it ensures deep penetration, strong welds, and exceptional speed across a wide variety of metals, including stainless steel, carbon steel, aluminum, and more. Whether you're working on heavy-duty industrial tasks or precision fabrication, this machine handles it all with ease. Its handheld design offers maximum flexibility and mobility, allowing you to work comfortably on large structures or hard-to-reach areas. The ergonomic grip and user-friendly interface make it accessible for both experienced professionals and advanced workshops. Built for reliability and long-term use, this laser welding machine reduces heat distortion, minimizes post-processing, and delivers clean, smooth finishes every time. It's the perfect solution for manufacturing, metal fabrication, automotive repair, and construction projects. Powerful, versatile, and efficient, this is the ultimate tool to boost productivity and achieve professional-grade results.